Welcome to Violin Adventures number 13. Well, in this episode, we finish the violin and set it up in the white and play it. Hope you enjoy. One more thing, this is very responsive, very quick response. So very happy. Just down the street a little bit is a beautiful little park with little paths that go off in all little directions. So come along. Well, y'all, here's the wax in bags as I was throwing out there on the concrete. And I throw it to break it up into pieces like this that I can then put into the wax melter. So today I'm filling the wax melter with wax and also taking the little pieces. I'm going to make these a little smaller to put over here in my pot. This is where I'll mount it, pour it into the forms, and then from there I'll dip the candles. And of course, we had to go over that ferry again. The ride there and back is so beautiful. Well, that takes care of getting all the violins off the floor, all the cases off the floor. Okay, you guys, I finished unpacking the rest of the violins. Here on this table is a mixture of old violins that need to be repaired that I found here or there, and then some new ones that just need to be brought upstairs. So we've got those there. We got some more hanging out here and over there. So maybe you can help me carry them upstairs. Look at that, isn't that just really cute? That's a 1/32. So we have to find a special spot for that. There he is, standing big like the rest of them. And a cute little repair. Well, look what walked into the shop. A little ukulele. So we're going to get that one fixed. amongst all the violins that I pulled out, there's a couple old ones. And this one over here I rejected because it's got cracks in the back, which are not good. So I'm going for this one. This has got some nice height in here, but there's some problems with it. Looks to me like the inside blocks might need to be replaced. Also, we don't have a ebony fingerboard, so I need to replace that. I'm just going to open this up and see what the problems are with it, and maybe we can give it some new life. Fellow, some new life. Here again, we have a bass bar that is just carved out of the top of the violin. That is not a real bass bar. So it makes me laugh in one sense. I know we can improve the tone when we have this kind of thing, but look at that. That's crazy. So we're going to fix that right now. Also, the thickness is too thick. Behold, or notice, the eye of the Lord, or Hashem, is toward those who fear him or reverence him, those who wait or hope in his mercy, loving kindness, faithfulness. And in the Hebrew it says, Hineh ein Hashem el Yira'u lam yachalim lahazdo. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much for commenting. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.